Hi guys, welcome to my first video on my first channel. This video is going to be about Python coding. We're going to be creating a quiz, to be specific, a math quiz. This is the first video of my channel. If you do like this video, please like the video and subscribe. This is going to be a channel about coding in Python. So we're going to go over all the functions and stuff through this small video series. So let's start. Today we're going to be creating a math quiz, and I'm using Trinket.io, so you guys can follow me on Trinket. Open a new browser and click Trinket.io, and then click the link, and then make a new account, and then click on your account and click New Trinket, and it should take you to the screen I am on right now. So what we do right now is we're going to print math quiz. Math quiz. Let me just title this math quiz real quickly. Okay, so the title is math quiz, and we're going to be going over how to code a quiz or whatever quiz you want. It's just going to be different for like a geography quiz or a math quiz or a reading quiz or something like that. So a print function is basically a function where it just prints what you have in the quotations and parentheses. So for example, when I run this, it's going to print math quiz. And it really matters about the spaces and the capitals and stuff. So it doesn't matter if you put like no caps, it will print no caps. It won't capitalize it for you because Python is case sensitive. So print math quiz. Now we want to the user to answer some questions, right? So we're going to make question. For example, let's say first _Q, which stands for first question, is equal to input, parentheses, what is the square root of 25? What is the square root of 25? Now, the square root of 25 is 5. So the square root of 25 is 5. So first question equals to input, what is the square root of 25? Now, this is a variable. This is what's called a variable. A variable is something where you can store data or store something, or store a number, a string, a Boolean value, a list. That's what a variable is. It stores some data or some knowledge in that small word. So first Q equals to input, what is the square root of 25? Now first Q equals to input means that they're going to be answering the question, what is square root of 25? So when we run this, it's going to say math quiz. What is the square root of 25? Now the input allows it so that the user can enter in an answer. So the square root of 25 would be 5. And yet once we enter it, the code ends because we didn't code what to do if they put 5. So let's put if first Q equal to, and if something is equivalent, then you need 2 equal signs, not 1. Because if you do is equal to 5, print correct, it'll have an error because this is not equal, because that is what you use for a variable when you're storing some data into the variable. We don't want to store 5 into first Q. We want to make sure it's equivalent to the answer that the user gave. So we need 2 equal signs. And the if in front of first Q is like if first Q is equal to 5, then do this. If is like a statement where if this is true, then do this, for example. For example, in this one, it says if first Q is equal to 5. That means if the user put 5 as their answer for first Q, then print correct. So when we run this, it's going to say math quiz, what is the square root of 25? And the answer is 5. And something went wrong. I think we have to run it again because Trinket's kind of slow, I guess. Okay. If first q was equal to 5, we have a bug here. I need to fix this bug real quick. I'll be back once I fix this and I'll tell you guys the bug. Okay guys, I solved the bug. So basically, I changed first q to first question so it makes more sense. And the bug was that this is when they put their answer, it counts the answer as a string, and you can't really say if a string is equivalent to a number. So you have to turn the string into an integer, and an integer means a number. So when you convert this string into a number, for example, if they put 5, that's a string. But you put int in front of it to convert 5 into a number. So now it converts it to 5. So basically now it's saying if 5 is equal to 5, print correct. That's what it's saying. But if you put like 6, it's saying if 6 is equal to 5, print correct. And then the else statement is if this is true, print that. Else, so that means if it's not true for something, then do this. So else, print incorrect. That's not how you spell incorrect. There you go, that's how you spell incorrect. Now we need the quotations around the string, because this is counted as a string. Else, print incorrect. Now we can move on to the second question. So what we're going to do is create a new variable like the first time, underscore question is equal to input. Now what should the second question be? So maybe it should be a multiplication question. For example, like 35 times 6. 35 Okay, what is 35 multiplied by 6? I have my calculator here because I knew we were doing a math quiz. I prepared. So 35 times 6 is 210. I can't do that on top of my head, so I just use the calculator. So yeah, and remember we need the int because you can't see if a string is equal to a number, so you have to convert the string into a number, and then if number is equal to number, then the code can see if it's correct. So if int second question is equal to, remember 2 equal signs, or else if we do 1, it's basically creating a variable, and we don't want that. We need 2 equal signs, which means if it's equal to. If int second question is equal to 210, print correct. And yeah, else print wrong, which means if it's not correct, then print wrong. And so yeah, let's run through what we have so far. What is the square root of 25? 5, correct. What is 35 multiplied by 200 multiplied by 6, not 200 something? 210, correct. And notice that we didn't get any incorrect because all of the answers were correct. So we can start on our third question. So third underscore question equals to input what let's do a division question this time, and let's make it simple. So let's do 10. What is 100 divided by 10. That's a simple question. That's super easy. And then let's do if third question. Let me just move my profile icon so you guys can properly see what I'm coding here. This is pretty hard to move. Really hard to move. There we go. Okay, we can probably move it now. I'll just leave it right over there. So if third question is equal to 10, and we forgot the int. Well, I didn't forget, but I just didn't do it. If int third question is equal to 10, print correct. Print correct. Print correct. And then, like always, we can do else. Print wrong. In quotations because it's counted as a string. So yeah, math quiz. What is the square root of 25? Let's do wrong answers this time. Incorrect. What is 35 multiplied by 6? 6. Wrong. What is 100 divided by 10? 10. Correct. So yeah, that's what a math quiz would look like in Python. You guys can make a geography quiz or a reading quiz, or like you print the passage and they answer some questions. Yeah, so you guys can do all types of quizzes. You guys can make all types of games. And yeah, I hope you guys continue to watch my videos. And again, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you like this video, please like the video and share the video to someone you know so they can also learn some Python. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.